Something else you can do in the hierarchy view is search for specific objects. Now, this behaves a little bit differently than searching did over in the project view, in that since your hierarchy view is listing off everything that already exists in your scene view is going to update to help you find what it is you're looking for.
Right. It's actually going to change the color, wash everything out to black and white, and put partial transparency on everything, so it allows you to focus on what you are looking for.
All right, so let's take a look at doing this. Now, we know, for instance, that we have something in our scene called a fire pit. So let's just start searching for that. So I'll hit F, and now we start off with everything that is named with an F. And I notice we're getting a lot of fence posts in here, so to show that, we've got to fly over to where our little tunnel is.
Yep, there it is.
And there we go, and you'll see these are still maintaining their color while everything else is washing out. So I just wanted to point that out, even though it was kind of far away, and it was kind of a ride to get to it. Now let's keep on typing here inside the search. So the FI, now we're down to fire pit and fire sound, as well as the first person controller, and notice that the first person controller still has color. Now as soon as we hit R,
well, first person controller, there you go.
And then there we go. The first person controller is going to fade out entirely. And then all we see left is the fire pit, as well as the fire sound. So as soon as we hit P, I mean, you're not going to see much of a difference for the fire sound, but it is going to disappear from this list. So you can see everything updates as you type to narrow down to exactly what it is you're looking for. And the viewport is going to update as well to show you what it is you're looking for. An extremely handy way to find something very, very quickly in your level. Because, of course, you could always, at any time, if you're like, well, I know it should be colored, but I'm way out here in the middle of nowhere and I can't find it, you can just click on it, tap the F key, fly over to it, and now, because it's highlighted and it's the only thing in color, it'll be very easy to see. So it's a great way to search for objects in your scenes, and it also gives you the path, so you can see that this is a part of Fire Pit, which is in itself a part of the camp. So again, just a really quick rundown of searching. When you're done searching, you can of course clear this text out, type in something else, or just click on the little X button here, and that will clear all of that out and revert your viewport back to normal. So that is going to wrap things up for this video. Thanks a lot.